Hello, if you wonder if the Redmi Watch 5 Lite is water resistant or waterproof, then yes it is. As you can see on the box you can find information about 5 ATM water resistance. And if you don't know what does it mean, then basically the 5 ATM stands for water pressure. So this device can withstand the water pressure equivalent to a depth of 50 meters, and you can basically take shower and bathing with this one. You can swimming in shallow water, or for example exposure this to rain and splashes, and everything will be fine. So I just want to mention that the 5 ATM water resistance is not suitable for diving or high impact water sports, like for example there's the jet skiing or snorkeling. So as these activities can actually exceed the pressure limits, and also it could damage your device. So there it is. Thanks for watching.